I'll make a simple request to all the participants here. Please come on time. Because it's an important class that is going on. Don't just walk in at your whimsically at your convenience. Because every single thing that is said has its relevance for the continuity. If you come late to the class, you're missing out half of it. What is the difficulty in coming on time? You are here to come, you have come here to attend this program. So why can't you be here on time? I mean, it's not only my request, it's my order. Everybody must come on time before the class starts. Otherwise, the door will be closed. I will put somebody out there and tell them that you cannot come in. From tomorrow, they'll make that point. 11 o'clock, the class starts. Up to 11:15, the gate entrance will be allowed. Others, those who are coming late, they won't be able to come in. It's a serious matter. The purpose of this retreats is to give you what I cannot give you personally on a day-to-day basis. Generally, the standard was the Guru used to have his ashram. Guru used to have his ashram, and Guru personally used to teach his disciples on a daily basis. But in ISKCON, it's not happening. The Gurus are so busy, they have so many different responsibilities around the world, they cannot sit at one place and just take care of a handful of disciples. That is why we are making this arrangement that for 7 days or 5 days we come at a place, give the thing so that I can communicate with you and try to convey what I am trying to teach you. And in spite of coming here, if you are not serious about it, then what's the point in having these arrangements? As your spiritual master, I have a responsibility. I have a responsibility to guide you in a spiritual life. And I take that responsibility very seriously. Just as your spiritual master, I am prepared to take all your karma and go to hell forever. I don't mind that even. Yes, as a guru has to decide, the guru has to accept the karma of his disciples. So Guru does that, and at the same time Guru has all these responsibilities. And therefore a Guru needs the help from the disciples. And only help that he needs is your sincere commitment. You have accepted initiation, so please become serious about your spiritual life. And that's how you are going to relieve me of my burden. To become a guru is not an easy thing. It's a very, very serious responsibility. Anyway, please become serious about your spiritual life. Don't consider that this coming to the retreat is something like going to a movie or going to a picnic. Even to a movie you go on time. When you go to a movie, you never late to go to a movie. I don't know whether you go to a movie or not. When you go to a picnic, you are there before the picnic starts. So is this less important than those activities? Please become serious about your spiritual life.